All right, so this is my review for the Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax. You just spray it on and wipe it off. It's Meguiar's. It's supposed to be the good stuff. Let's see what we're working with. Let's go ahead and just get a close look. We've already washed the truck. We used the Chemical Guys wash and wax system. And we're going to put some wax on it and see if there's any difference. So far, it's already looking a little better than just using the Chemical Guys all-in-one system. And it really is just as simple as spray it on and wipe it off. And usually you don't have to put it on that much, they say, but it's intuitive just to want to overspray it a little bit and get it on there. But it really is just a 5 or 10 minute deal and then you're done. So we'll come back when we're finished spraying it and see how it looks. All right, so this is the end result. Can you tell the difference with just using the Chemical Guys wax and wash sud system versus the Meguiar's spray wax? I mean, this paint's seen better days, of course, but it feels soft to the touch. I don't know. I mean, I'd rather spray this on than just use something that's all in one anyway. You know, they make the soap that has the wax and all that built in, but I always prefer to spray. So what do you think about that? I mean, any imperfections is just the paint, but as far as the shine and everything, I think it done a pretty good job. So all right, if you like the video, give it a like. If you really like it, give it a sub. If you don't, and we'll see you in the next video.